The Naga Samurai, having to use selfie mode. I'm gonna try to do a flash tutorial on how to make the primitive pipe bowl. As you see, you have three 4 feet fiberglass markers, a Sharpie, rule, hacksaw, and a rat tail file, as well as the 60-inch or 5-foot long PVC pipe is at 3/4 inch schedule 40. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, so we're back. Here I go bumping my head again. So with the 3 fiberglass markers, the first one you want to take, cut it in half. Again, I got 3 of them that are at 48 inches or 4 feet. So the very first one you want to take it, cut it in half. So I'm gonna take a pause for a cause, and if you're using fiberglass, always wear gloves because those splinters are ridiculous. So, and also I forgot that duct tape was also in that mix. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. So as you see, that's been cut directly in half. Now the next step that you want to do is that you want to get your PVC pipe, and then you're going to measure it, and what you're going to do with these 60 inches at about an inch from each end, you're going to mark that. So do that and be right back.